Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how to make African Black Soap Shampoo. African Black Soap is an antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial. It effectively cleans your scalp, leaving the perfect environment for hair growth. It's an excellent cleanser for your scalp. I began using it after other shampoos left my scalp itchy with dandruff and buildup. It lathers very well and is lightweight. Stay tuned to watch how I make this amazing shampoo at home. Here's what you'll need to make your shampoo. A kettle for boiling water, olive oil, African black soap, castor oil, a jar, and a container or a bottle with a nozzle. To get started, boil your water. Let the water cool for a bit, then add it to your jar. Next, cut a chunk of black soap and add it to the water. A little goes a long way. Then stir. Stir frequently while letting the soap dissolve in the water. Once the soap has dissolved, add your oils. The soap can be drying, so make sure you add enough. Also, you can use any oil you like. I prefer olive oil and castor oil. And stir again. Now you're done. Pour your soap into a container with the nozzle when you're ready to use it.